So these are some of the seeds I purchased from this brand. I love them. They're very reliable. So this is all the seeds I have for my next garden in the spring. I'm also going to be doing some mushrooms as well. So I'm going to walk you guys outside to my garden so you can see what it looks like now. It looks so much better and a lot has grown. So as you guys can see, we have these beautiful things coming in. We have our herbal garden. That's kind of what this area is. Our basil, spinach, and all these good things. And then I repotted these. Remember, they were in here. So these are all repotted. In here we have our bok choy. You can kind of see it. It's these leaves. If you move them over, you can see it. And then we have radishes. And then, of course, we have our babies growing in. And then these are our squashes, and as you can see, the squash is taking over the balcony. We have our cucumber and watermelon, and the kale, I'm just letting it grow, and I'm kind of picking at the edges as it grows in. We have our butter lettuce, our peppers, which are actually changing color. So the peppers started green, and then they switched to red in the other ones. And then, we have more. And this is kind of my garden update, so you guys can see what's growing, the carrots, the radishes, and everything else. And my goal is to eventually have this side of the balcony covered as well. But yeah, this is my balcony garden.